just
Argentina.
for as a
You
spectator.
don't know the ships in the dog.
And your match commentator Derek Ray, and ready to provide expert analysis alongside me is Stuart Robson. And without doubt, a match with the potential to bring genuine excitement. It's Brazil versus Argentina.
Thanks, Derek.
Where go?
This should be
Where up, boy?
Where you go?
Oh,
Where you go, my daddy? Yeah, you that?
no, we look on board.
Yeah, no problem.
Well, he might smile. The goalkeeper has no interest in smiling.
Ronaldo. What a feel on corner.
Well, they fancy a short one.
Give me this one. And the man jump.
Messi cutting in from the flank.
How are the boxer? How are the?
Lionel Messi! And a goal!
How are this brother?
I don't know what. It started already.
Psych!
So a level contest, 1-1.
Psych! Psych! Come on, go on.
Attacking play.
Easy! Santos!
Ronaldo that here.
Sweet!
Embossy, R9, and then there are crystals. R9.
Support for Di Maria.
Curl it now.
And he's got the beating of his opponent.
And it's
Can they get in behind them? Could be dangerous. Goalkeeping
I'm getting
I get it.
from the set piece they were looking for. He could pick out a teammate.
Boom!
That's high. Well, they survived the attack.
I know, after my try support foot dog. Give me this
And a
one.
fine
Volunteer.
tackle.
Got it!
Couldn't quite hang on.
Give me this one. Yo! Yeah!
Taken away.
Yeah.
He won the ball. Fruitful looking attack.
Yeah! Psych!
Delivered into the area. Now he has his hat-trick.
I mean,
a trick for Ronaldo.
R9 is at it. R9 is at it. R9 is at it, people.
Just turn up right in front time, man.
Yeah, I run too fast, my G.
Really good high
Jana.
pass. Messi.
Jaja.
In it goes.
Pass the ball line, Miguel.
Yeah.
Run back.
Promising position here for Di Maria.
Sorry, run mother than
30 minutes left for play. Well, the counter chance looks
Yeah,
real.
Santos!
You mean?
Technical excellence to finish that one off. Wonderful to have that.
I mean, they were gonna take that down there. Post that on time.
Now we're inside the final 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And read perfectly by Otamendi.
Up and wing, man. Yeah, man, I know, man.
Well, the seconds are ticking away, and the home side in
Ronaldo.
control. Stuart, what have you made of this?
Well, they've
Ronaldo.
controlled most of the game, haven't
Ronaldo.
they? Their 1 and 2 touch
Look how the man
passes
reaching
have
back so
been
fast,
sharp,
brother.
the movement's been bright, and they've scored some good goals. They just need to keep their concentration through to the final whistle.
Can they hit on the break? And Messi's incisive pass.
Nope.
And a
I mean-
fantastic diving save.
I mean. They give him the right Mali Punky.
But he's gone short with it. Well,
Run,
time
man,
has challenged
run,
magnificently.
Run. Well, you nobody know them, go on.
Oh shit.
Passing.
Jaja.
And the referee takes exception to the
Gotta get
challenge.
stopped
Free
here,
kick.
isn't he?
And options
Yo.
in the centre.
Nope.
Well, fantastic reflex action from the goalkeeper.
Brother, you know me, I press up L1, brother, I can't get nobody in the box. The big defender stand up in front time, man.
Went in strongly to win the ball. And with that, the attack fizzles
Pull the
out.
ball around the air. Yeah, man.
Failure failure to keep the ball on the part of Brazil.
Pull a ball around there. Touch.
Pass the ball, brother.
Correa. Going about his defensive business with a minimum of fuss. An example of how to press.
Can't press with here. You can't press with. That me and tell her.
So 2 minutes to be added on at the end.
Oh, long agenda, big it up on the wing. Yeah, man, dead man.
Left his
They're gone.
behind here.
You're gone, man.
Firing it towards goal. Oh, tremendous work
Yeah,
from
2
the
minutes
keeper
push
to
it out
avert
time,
the danger.
shy, you know.
It's a corner.
Yo. Whip me a whipping this, you know.
Now sending it in.
Ooh.
Oh, good work by the keeper. The corner kicks keep on
Yeah, man,
coming.
holla Brazil. Same
Delivering
way.
it.
Buck it now. Buck it
The
out.
referee blows for full time. It ends in a victory for the home team. No complaints from the fans here.
Well, Derek, they were dominant in most
Ronaldo.
aspects of the game, particularly in that
Patrick.
midfield area, and
Can
they
stop
also
them, man,
not threatening in the top
Them
third.
man, the crack.
It's a really good result.
Them
for
man,
them.
the cheat code for FIFA, you don't know. Holla Brazil, all the way. No matter what. Best team this in the world, #1. Yo, people, open the like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Jamaican Chio channel for more content. Yeah, man, I did that, man.
Oh, that
Peace.
is an
One love.
audacious